Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, now we have 17 stores all across South India, in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Beat the quality, the best prices and best collection, we always have the best to offer to our dear customers. Please make sure you're visiting your nearest female store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too, which are a treat to your eyes. Dear ladies, today's episode is about beautiful soft silk sarees in variant colors and variant borders. And let me start with the first one now in blue color. So ladies, here is a beautiful soft silk saree in blue and turquoise blue color. Let me start with the body first. The body of this one has beautiful floral booties which have small threadwork detailing in pink and orange color, adding a lovely pop of color. Have a look at the beautiful turquoise blue color border. So on first we have gold zari kadi here on the edge of the border, and then we have temples in gold zari, and we have munia buttis too with small diamonds. We have florals and leaf jal which is in geometrical pattern, and we have this colorful detailing in blue, orange and pink color, adding a beautiful pop of color. Let me show you the beautiful pallu for this one, the pallu which is contrasting to your blue color saree. The pallu of this one has florals and leaf jal here in very organic form, and then we have this geometrical huge floral booties with threadwork detailing inside them, adding a beautiful pop of color. Here's a lovely contrasting blouse for your beautiful blue saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you're sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time, and we have cash and delivery option only available in Hyderabad. Here's a next beautiful saree in magenta and pink color. It's a lovely silk saree. Let me show you the body first. On the body, we have small floral booties in champagne gold zari, very simple and very elegant work. The pink color border of the saree has small floral and leaf jal, and then we have small boxes. We also have zari lines, and then we have this beautiful unique style florals and leaf jal in gold zari with silver zari, and these are in simple dot forms. The contrasting pallu for the saree in pink color has florals and leaf jal here in silver and gold zari, and then we have florals and leaf jal in boxes. We also have huge floral booties. Inside that we have detailing in silver zari, and again we have beautiful florals and leaf jal in boxes and dot. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse for your magenta color saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that these weavers prices are only valid for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here we have a beautiful green with pink color soft silk saree. Let me start with the body. The body of this one has small floral booties in gold zari which looks extremely rich and very royal. It's very simple and elegant work. Our border, which is in bright pink color, has beautiful florals in zigzag lines, and we have this lovely gold zari work on pink color which is looking very pretty. The contrasting pallu in pink color has again florals in zigzag lines, creating a beautiful pattern, a beautiful jal. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse for your green color saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, you can also shop by clicking on the link which I mentioned in the description box below. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to our website kanchivml.com. There you can add this saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the orders right away. Here's a beautiful saree in yellow and navy blue color, and we have small floral booties on the body in gold zari. Let's have a look at it. The gold zari looks very simple and it looks very elegant and subtle on the yellow body. Our border is in navy blue color, and we have floral jal in zigzag pattern in gold zari which is very contrasting. It's very beautiful too. The contrasting pallu, which is in navy blue color, has florals and leaf jal in zigzag pattern again. Beautiful gold zari work here. There's a lovely contrasting blouse in navy blue color for a beautiful yellow color festive sari. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that now we have 17 stores of VML all over South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. And here's a beautiful soft silk sari in a vibrant combination of orange with pink. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has very unique style florals and leaf style in gold zari. So you can see that we have overlapping pattern here. We have beautiful detailing inside the florals and leaves here, creating a lovely pattern all over the body. Our border, which is in bright pink color, has paisley buttees in pink color, and then we have zigzag lines in gold zari. We again have zigzag lines with small cross lines, and we have the small leaves on the edge of the border. The lovely contrasting pallu in pink color has beautiful florals and leaves jal with small paisley's and lines, and then we have this lovely floral brocade work in gold zari. Let me show you the bright and beautiful pink color contrasting blouse for your orange color sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here I have a lovely green color soft silk sari. Let me show you the body first. The body of this one has floral buttees in red color self-embossed work, and then we have smaller floral buttees in silver zari, creating a beautiful design on the body. Our border, which appears to be in grey color because of the beautiful self-embossed work and zari work. So we have paisley buttees all over the border with a lot of floral detailing inside it. We also have cross lines on the border, creating a beautiful pattern. The pallu for the sari has temples in silver zari, and then we have florals and leaf jals. We also have paisley brocade work with beautiful floral detailing inside them. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse for your beautiful green sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also click on the links mentioned here and place the order for your sarees from VML website, that is kanchivml.com. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can watch them again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about beautiful, very lightweight, lovely soft silk sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.